All right, when we're working with Python, we want to make sure that we are doing exactly what it says. Every dot, every parentheses, every space is there for a reason. So we want to make sure that we're putting exactly what it says. Even the capitalization are the same. So that way it's going. Now you can see that this and this are partners, right? Because they're both highlighted, so I know that that is correct. Now I'm going to hit the next, and now I'm also going to pay attention to the indentation. These are all the same. So I see basic, show icon, heart. Now the next part of this is basic and clear screen. So I am taking my screen and I'm clearing it. Now once I put one on, the other one sometimes automatically pops in, but I want to make sure that I have both the beginning and the end parentheses. And obviously when I'm doing this basic thing here, when I'm typing the word basic, I can see that it's also this, right? And I look over here and I can see that's what it's doing. It's the basic block. So when I did the block, that's the basic one. All right, so once again, indentations are all the same. So I go to basic again, dot pause. And then here we're going to say 500 milliseconds, right? And then we're going to say basic. You can see this says show icon. And if I see it in there, I can click it and it'll start to do it. Now I can even make an adjustment here so that I have what I want, small heart, okay, and then basic clear screen again. So up here, I'm going to copy and paste it. And I could have did both of these because this is the second one. All right, and if it worked up here, it worked down there because I just copied and pasted it. And now I look, the last thing I want to say is basic, show icon, back to the heart. So I want this again, and then I hit next. Okay, now here's where the indentation comes in to play. So this needs to all be in the forever loop like we talked about with blocks. So these need to all be indented so that it's inside what that top one is. So what I need to do is put the stuff on first. Okay, and now it's saying the on forever. So the semicolon, it's saying here's what we want. So what I need to do is when it says problem unexpected indented block near basic. So we need to indent these things to show that it's underneath our forever block. And now it looks like that, okay? So now we want to finish the forever loop by putting this in on forever. And now when I hit next, it says if you have a microbit connected, click download. But what we can do over here is to make sure that it works is we can hit play and it should go from a big heart and then pause to a small heart. And that's what it's doing. All right, so the biggest things, like I said, is you want to make sure that it's typed the exact same way that it's supposed to be. It's indented where it needs to be. And when we have the beginning parentheses, we have an end to go with it. And the cool part is it actually highlights both